Here is a beginner-level data analyst quiz that covers data collection, data visualization, and storytelling with data. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is an example of primary data collection? A. Survey responses, B. Web scraping, C. API integration, and D. SQL querying. The answer is survey responses. Question 2. Which type of data is typically collected from sensors or IoT devices? A. Textual data, B. Real-time streaming data, C. Structured data, and D. Manual data. The answer is real-time streaming data. Question 3. What is the main purpose of using an API in data collection? A. To clean data, B. To generate visual reports, C. To automate data retrieval, and D. To update dashboards. The answer is to automate data retrieval. Question 4. Which tool is commonly used for SQL-based data extraction? A. PowerPoint, B. Google Docs, C. Adobe Photoshop, and D. MySQL. The answer is MySQL. Question 5. Which of the following is not a reliable data source for analysis? A. Official databases, B. Customer feedback forms, C. Social media APIs, and D. Rumors and opinions. The answer is rumors and opinions. Question 6. Which data collection method involves extracting information directly from websites? A. Scraping, B. Joining, C. Parsing, and D. Exporting. The answer is scraping. Question 7. What does structured data typically look like? A. Freeform text, B. Tables with rows and columns, C. Audio clips, and D. PDF images. The answer is tables with rows and columns. Question 8. Which type of chart is best for showing trends over time? A. Line chart, B. Bar chart, C. Pie chart, and D. Scatter plot. The answer is line chart. Question 9. What is the purpose of a heat map in data visualization? A. To show 3D images, B. To display frequency of categories, C. To show correlation intensity, and D. To replace raw data. The answer is to show correlation intensity. Question 10. Which visualization best represents proportions among categories? A. Line chart, B. Scatter plot, C. Histogram, and D. Pie chart. The answer is pie chart. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the key benefit of using dashboards in data analysis? A. Automated data cleaning, B. Real-time interactive visual summaries, C. Data encryption, and D. SQL-based development. The answer is real-time interactive visual summaries. Question 12. Which tool is commonly used for data visualization by analysts? A. Tableau, B. MS Paint, C. VLC Player, and D. SQL Server. The answer is Tableau. Question 13. Which plot type is most appropriate for outlier detection? A. Pie chart, B. Area chart, C. Box plot, and D. Histogram. The answer is box plot. Question 14. What is the primary goal of data storytelling? A. To display technical charts. B. To present complex datasets in raw format. C. To export CSV reports. And D. To communicate insights with context and clarity. The answer is to communicate insights with context and clarity. Question 15. What makes data storytelling effective? A. Using advanced code. B. A clear narrative supported by visuals and data. C. Avoiding visuals. And D. Keeping only numeric content. The answer is a clear narrative supported by visuals and data. Question 16. What is one common mistake in data storytelling? A. Using relevant visuals. B. Providing too much context. C. Overloading visuals with information. And D. Structuring data by business relevance. The answer is overloading visuals with information. Question 17. Which of the following is a good practice when explaining visual insights? A. Narrate what the data means for the business. B. Only use visuals. C. Skip interpretation. And D. Use jargon extensively. The answer is narrate what the data means for the business. Question 18. When presenting to non-technical stakeholders, your insights should be A. Technically deep and mathematical, B. Focused on code logic, C. Assumption-based, and D. Clear, concise, and business relevant. The answer is clear, concise, and business relevant. Question 19. Which element adds meaning and clarity in a story with data? A. Animated graphs, B. Complex charts, C. Context and business impact, and D. SQL query outputs. The answer is context and business impact. Question 20. What is the key to tailoring your data story for the audience? A. Understand their goals and level of expertise. B. Include only raw datasets. C. Use data without visuals. And D. Focus on technical execution. The answer is understand their goals and level of expertise. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.